What's happening, interwebs? This is what's happening. See those nice, shiny, new wires going to those shiny new knock sensors on this 5.3 liter General V8? Yeah. Word to the wise, don't pressure wash these engines from the front. Water gets in there. Doesn't like it. So, doing a little house cleaning while I'm in there. Sorry about the glare. Oh, intake manifold. She's looking good. Looking good. All clean. Now I gotta do the throttle body because she doesn't look so good. She looks like she's got 176,000 miles of build up. Oh yeah, that's nasty.